Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. This video, I want to focus on a cool fish that gets a lot of publicity in this hobby for what it does for the local area where it's found, and that fish is the Cardinal Tetra. It's a hardy tetra and a good alternative to those who maybe have had bad experiences with their cousins, the neon tetra. They're almost identical in appearance. Actually, the cardinals are just slightly bigger, and their entire body is divided into two colors. The top half is a neon blue, the bottom half is bright red. But you know, from a distance, if you didn't know any better, they would look identical to you. So the Cardinal Tetra is found in South America's waters in the upper tributaries of the Orinoco and Negro River, which extend all across the continents from Brazil, passing through Venezuela and Colombia. There are schooling fish of hundreds in the wild, and in fact, most of these fish are actually wild caught, with hobbyist bred fish being more rare, which is a very interesting fact since it's the opposite with most fish. But thanks to people like Project Diablo, who work with locals in the Amazon to ensure these fish and other locals through increased environmental and animal welfare, as well as stability of the Amazonian fish trade, it has become that these fish are actually supporting the locals and keep them going. I will leave Piabo's link down in the description if you want to learn more, but since we're here to learn about the Cardinal Tetra, let's get back into the fish. So the Cardinal Tetra is not only an extremely beautiful fish, but they're also a very easy fish, and one that even if kept in a tank by themselves will make a stunning one. They're extremely peaceful fish, so you shouldn't have any problems if you want to add them to community tanks, and they're only going to max out at around 2 inches in length, and they have a lifespan of about 5 years. It's actually one of the fish in the hobby that actually lives longer in captivity than in the wild, and it's simply because we don't have to worry about the water in our tanks drying up like they do in the wild. Now for a minimum tank size, I would say you could probably do a 10-gallon work fine. Get a group of 6 of these and it'll look okay. If you want to get a really awesome schooling activity out of them, go with a 20-gallon, get a group of 12 to 20, and you'll be in for a real show, which will only be made better if you can add some live plants like Anubias, Java ferns, or Amazon sores to it. So for water temp, we're looking at 72 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, with an average amongst keepers being about 76. pH, these guys can go anywhere from the 4s up to 7.5. Most of us aren't going to get our tanks down that low, so the range is 5 to 7.5. But again, they're from the Amazon, so they're going to like a more acidic pH. So somewhere in the low 6s are just going to be good. 6.0 to 6.5 is going to give you a more ideal range. These fish are omnivores, so they can pretty much eat anything you're going to put in your tank for food. I would say give them a good flake food like an extreme crave, throw in a Aquarium micro pellet, give them a freeze-dried bloodworm, daphnia, or tube fix as a treat from time to time, and you can even throw in some Aquarium fiber bites if they are small enough. But almost anything that you can give these fish, they will eat. So overall, these are an extremely awesome community tank fish, species-only fish tank, nano fish. They got pretty much all the boxes checked except for monster fish. They're an extremely hardy fish, they're easy to care for, and they don't require a large tank, and they're overall just a solid fish for beginners and people that have been in the hobby for a long time. And best of all, buying them helps supports conservation down in the Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and give the Cardinal Tetras a 10 out of 10 rating. As always, thank you all so much for watching and the continued support in the videos. If you're new, please remember to hit that sub button if you're enjoying the content. Leave a comment down below, let me know your experience with Cardinal Tetras. Leave a like if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you guys.